Hello everyone, welcome back to another Plant Mom vlog. Today we're shopping for glassware, aka propagation tools, here at the Dollar Tree. As with most shopping experiences and shopping hauls, I found other items outside of my shopping list. I also found really cute like cottage core, fairy themed ceramic ware. I'm gonna pick one up and probably use it in like a DIY garden spruce up, or just to use as garden decor. I really think it matches my witchy cottagecore dark academia lost in the forest looking for some herbs type of vibe. I also decided to pick up these pots or mini cauldrons. As you can see, Dollar Tree has their Valentine's Day, their St. Patty's Day, like basically all of the holidays that are coming up, they have it in there. I also decided to pick up these mini terracotta pots just so I could transfer my existing propagations into soil, and I needed smaller planters, nothing that was too big. I did find a lot of different wood, or what seems to be wood items here in the Dollar Tree today. I feel like they would work really great as trays, or kind of like a rack to hold different glassware, or if you wanted to glue things to it to make a propagation station, you could. So they have really great items in the store right now to do your own propagation DIYs as well. Target. This has become a big Plant Mom witchy haul thing. I don't know how. This is what I really came here for. Should I just get one? I think I'll just get one. What else do they have? So many people here. Oh my god. So I basically purchased everything you saw just now in the Target buggy. After I checked out, I decided to go over to the garden section, or the grocery section, to see the new Costa Farms Trending Tropicals line, which is basically rare plants that they have licensed to grow. Thank you all for watching another plant vlog with me, Destiny of Manifest by Destiny. Until next time, bye!
Yeah, to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical, fire breathing conversation.